This is St. Louis Palazzolo TV, connecting skills, stories, and success. So hello, good people. Welcome back to Palazzolo Technical and Vocational Training Institute. And today, actually, we're going to do some practical lessons here with the catering students. And you just can't wait to see what you're going to cook today. I have here the catering tutor, Mr. Bernard. Yes, so Mr. Bernard, I know you're going to take us through this process. I also have one student here who is also Mr. Peter, yes. So, Mr. Bernard, what are you going to cook today?
Today, we are doing the main dish by the name wet fried chicken. And the main dish by the name, we have already started the wet fried chicken by doing the puree. Puree now is the breading of the tomatoes. So the breading of tomatoes so that we can get the thick substance. Okay. That we now make our chicken to be wet. Then after that, we do the frying of the onions together with the ginger, together with the garlics. Then after that, the meat that we had already boiled, we put it in our puree. Then after that, we make sure that our puree plus the meat has the consistency that is wanted, especially a very thick consistency that will be easy to swallow.
This is the wet fried. You can just the wet fried chicken.
And it's very soft, as you can taste.
Yes, it's very soft. So I can just like pick and taste, so that I can confirm to the viewers.
Very soft.
It is very soft actually, and I think this is the best place to be. At Palazzolo Technical, we cook soft.
This is the best place to be.
Wet fried chicken puree. Is it?
Now we are doing the starch part of it, which is the rice itself. Now. We have not started the rice, but Mr. Peter is our student today.
And our chef as well.
Is working on it. Yes. Now, he has started by grinding the ginger plus the garlic.
Where is the ginger and garlic?
Ginger plus the garlic.
I shall grind. Please.
Now he is grinding. Then after gliding, you definitely fry together with the onions.
Okay. So you first like wonga, and then you fry with the onions. Okay. So guys, Peter is grinding. The ginger plus
the garlic, ready now to fry them together with the onions.
The onions are ready?
Prepared.
Okay.
The rice is already prepared here.
The rice is ready.
The rice is
now, DP, this rice, how many people are? How?
This is 6 portions. We are doing 6 portions.
6 portions? With this rice,
With that one.
So it's like a half a kilo?
Half a kilo.
Oh, okay.
So we are doing 6 portions. And also now our stew will also be 6 portions. 6 portions.
Okay. Wow.
So as we wait for Peter, we are waiting now for our fire.
So we should have tumewasha gas. Nice. So guys, you can see what happens in Palazzolo Technical. We don't just give you theory, we also give you practical that will help you when you like get out of here. You are able even to start your own brand.
You can still add some little water. And you give it some to that.
Also, it's just like you have to check as you continue. Okay.
So with that, you add now your dark soy sauce.
Okay. So you add it after you like put
You can now add dark soy sauce.
What does it do?
That one is just to brown,
Oh, to brown.
because you don't have the herbs.
Okay.
At this time, Just the brown, that's enough. Now you let that water at least to boil a little.
Boil a little.
Then you add
You put your rice.
you add
your rice.
Then in this rice, you can still add the other half of the oregano. You have the oregano that you can still add.
What is that?
Oregano is dry herbs.
Oh, oregano. What does it do?
Oregano, that's for improving the flavor.
Okay.
Then you have the thyme, still for improving the flavor.
What is that?
Thyme.
Thyme.
Still for improving the flavor.
Okay. Thyme.
Thyme for improving the flavor. Then you have the cardamom, still for flavor.
Cardamom.
And all these herbs can be added to the two other types of the rice that you are doing.
Yeah.
Then you have the right substance to add in this Pilau masala.
Oh.
It's a spice mix of many spices. So the flavor that you get for Pilau is gotten from this Pilau masala.
Oh, from Pilau masala.
So that's now the right substance to add. So that the rice can be Pilau.
Wow. This looks nice.
Now we wait for our milk to boil. Our rice now to boil.
Yes.
Our water now to boil.
Our water.
So that we can add. We can now add the rice. So our water now
is ready.
So we'll add our rice.
The rice.
The rice now. So we'll add the rice.
Looks nice, Mwalimu. Yeah. You know, I never known that there is, you can use this method actually to make pilau.
You can do it. Now, you have to stir. Then
You've already put salt.
Peter is now working on the flavors right now.
Oh, okay.
So you must check the salt.
Oh, you must check.
Right now. The salt is here.
So, but this doesn't need a lot of salt.
It does not need a lot of salt because some of these substances, the spices have some little salt.
Okay.
That is why you normally check on the amount of the salt that you have so that you can get the right flavor that you want. So after checking the flavor, after checking now the amount of the salt you have added, you can taste now. Is it okay? Then you can now
and the gas. Do you need
to reduce the amount of heat now?
You reduce.
You reduce the amount of heat now.
Okay.
So that now inaweza evaporate until you get the right type of the food you want. Remember, food is not just a matter of eating. Some of us don't go to the hotel just because you are hungry. You just go to the hotel so that you can be served properly.
Of course.
With the right food, with the food having been served properly. Because we normally get, our stomach gets mostly full when we are served properly.
Yes.
The right food.
Very true. Very true.
So here in Palazzolo, we normally do this. We normally also give out our service properly. We train our students, the real cooking itself, the real baking itself, then the service itself. And still, we normally train the 3-course meal. The 3-course meal entails now the starter, which can be the soup of any type. We have the main dish. Now, today the main dish is now the pilau plus the red fried chicken. Then finally we have the dessert, which can be black coffee, white coffee, milk, juice. It can also be anything else, either cold or either cold.
Oh, it doesn't necessarily mean.
It depends on the customer.
Okay.
So here in Palazzolo, we give out the best.
Wow, that's nice to hear, Mwalimu. And maybe as our rice is heading na kuendelea kuiva, Peter tuambie jamani anaonaje Palazzolo technical? Is it taking him vizuri? Ama we're just are we talking about all things? Yes, Peter.
Yes, hi everyone.
Yes, hi.
Me, I will even say that everything I'm doing is in vain. Everything is going on well, from the teaching of the theory, from the introduction of culinary,
Yes.
and also the services of food, and also in the cooking, in the theory. Everything has been well.
Yes.
And the cooking methods are well. They are very teaching and very educative. And I will say that at Palazzolo, everything is gained, knowledge, skills, and understanding, which is why you can gain everything.
Yes.
And everyone is welcome to be here. For the teachings, for the teacher, everything is perfectly well, and everything is well provided. So much welcome. Come, let's learn together, and let's gain these skills from Palazzolo Technical Institute.
Wow, that is a very heavy testimonial down there, where a student says, gets to testify. I mean, like, we're not talking our own things. When we say, and when we tell you guys to come to Palazzolo, we mean it. We do practicals, and we give you the skills that you require.
Now in production,
Yes.
we normally have the stages. One is the pre-production. The second one is the actual production. The third one is the post-production. That the pre-production involves the pre-production involves the preparation of all the ingredients, the utensil, and all what you need to set them on the table. So that when you start now, you don't have anything to go to the shop to buy. You have everything on the table so that you can have a very good start. Then after that, you go to the actual production. The actual production involves now the production, the cooking itself, the baking itself. So that's where the students now do the cooking itself. For example, for today, he has already done the wet fried chicken. He's now continuing with the rice now. Then after that, he will serve. Then we have the post-production. The post-production involves the clearing of the station, the clearing of the working benches, then the cleaning the entire station, then closing the entire station, so that making sure that all has gone well. Then after that, at least we have the service itself. If at all there are those guests that you need to serve, you serve before you clear. And normally when serving the guest, you must get the order from the guest, so that the student or the waiter should give the guest what the guest needs.
Nice. So I think as we're going to be in the post-production, where you guys are going to serve us. Oh, okay, that's fine. Maybe we can just take a short break and then come back after our rice is ready for the service. So this is our end product. We're gonna try with you so that we see if it's worth the wait. And yeah. Okay. This is good. Yeah, it's very fantastic. And I must say, Peter, you've done a good job. This is very nice. It's very tasty. I can say it's worth it. The sauce is very thick and tasty. The pilau as well is well ventilated and it tastes super nice.